People think success in trading comes from predicting the market. My strategy proves it comes from understanding it and keeping things simple. I spent years refining this strategy and the result is in front of you. In this trade here, for example, I didn't use all the 4 indicators. I used Bollinger Bands, Parabolic SAR, and some chart patterns that I created and I follow most of the time. Yeah, so if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.